Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best range hoods you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Hauslane PS18 is a sleek and powerful under-cabinet range hood designed to enhance kitchen ventilation. It features dual motors, providing a strong 860 cubic feet per minute suction capacity that effectively removes cooking fumes, odors, and grease while maintaining quiet operation. Its 3-way venting system supports versatile installation, and 6 fan speeds offer tailored airflow. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, with easy-to-clean dishwasher-safe baffle filters. Energy-efficient LED lights illuminate the cooking area, and the button-free touchscreen control panel adds a modern touch. Available in various sizes and finishes, the Hauslane PS18 suits diverse kitchen styles. The FOTILE JQG7505 is a versatile range hood suitable for under-cabinet or wall-mounted installation, featuring a sleek glass design. It uses WIS-power technology with dual DC motors, delivering up to 1,000 cubic feet per minute for efficient smoke and odor removal while maintaining quiet operation, starting at 39 decibels. The unique slant vent and 90-degree automatic baffle plate enhance smoke capture. Convenient features include touchless handwave activation, an intuitive touchscreen panel, and 4 fan speed settings. LED lights provide bright illumination, and maintenance is easy with dishwasher-safe baffle filters and a large grease tray. Its style, performance, and flexibility suit modern kitchens. The IKTCH wall mount range hood is a stylish and powerful kitchen appliance, featuring a maximum airflow of 900 cubic feet per minute to effectively clear smoke, grease, and odors, ideal for heavy cooking. It offers versatile installation as a duct or ductless unit, suitable for various kitchen setups. The sleek stainless steel design includes gesture sensing operation for touch-free control and a touch panel with 4 fan speeds. It operates quietly, starting at 40 decibels, and features energy-efficient LED lights for clear visibility. Dishwasher-safe baffle filters simplify maintenance. Durable and user-friendly, the IKTCH enhances both kitchen function and aesthetics. The Samsung Bespoke is a 36-inch range hood that blends powerful ventilation with modern design. It has a maximum airflow of 630 cubic feet per minute, featuring 4 fan speeds and a booster mode for heavy cooking. The triple air sensor monitors air quality, adjusting ventilation automatically. It operates quietly at 50 decibels, suitable for open spaces. Smart features include Wi-Fi connectivity for remote control via the SmartThings app and voice command compatibility with Pixie, Alexa, and Google Assistant. The customizable design with interchangeable panels suits various kitchen styles. Energy-efficient LED lighting and easy-to-clean filters complete its user-friendly features. The COSMO COS-QS75 is a 30-inch under-cabinet range hood that offers effective ventilation with a maximum airflow of 500 cubic feet per minute, ideal for kitchens with limited space. It can be installed in duct or ductless configurations, though the ductless kit is sold separately. The unit features permanent dishwasher-safe stainless steel filters for easy maintenance, and integrated energy-efficient LED lights enhance cooking visibility. Operating quietly, it suits residential use without disruption. User-friendly push-button controls adjust fan speeds and lights, while the stainless steel finish adds a sleek modern touch. Its powerful performance and compact design make it a reliable kitchen upgrade.